Hey. Okay. I'm cooking dinner. I'm in my kitchen. I have big plans for this, not even weekend, it's really tomorrow. Today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. Tons of stuff's happening tomorrow. And I got a lot going on, and I'm going through it in my head. I'm processing it, I'm planning it. And I realized that on YouTube, years ago, I posted a video of how I felt about a woman that was judging me. And I didn't even know why. I didn't know what I did. I didn't know why she felt the way she did. I really didn't even know how she felt. I mean, to be honest, I don't even know how she feels. But our kids were best friends, and they always wanted to hang out together, and they always wanted to play together and do sleepovers and do stuff together. And I tried so hard to plan with this woman. I'm like, hey, can your kid come over this weekend? Nope, she's busy. Okay, well, how about this weekend? Can your kid come over this weekend? Nope, they're busy. Okay, I'm trying so hard to plan, and it never worked out. What up?
What are you doing?
I'm making a video. Go on.
Fortnite.
So that's the kid I'm talking about. I noticed during dinner tonight, I'm cooking dinner, thinking about how he's going to this birthday party tomorrow with the kid, like the kid. And this family moved away last summer, and our kids have had more sleepovers since they moved away than when they lived 2 streets up our subdivision. I don't know why. I mean, it bothers me, and I don't know why it bothers me. And I hate that it bothers me. I let this woman have power over me for no reason at all. I don't even know her. I know her first name. I know her last name because I know her kid's last name, but that's it. I mean, that might not even be her last name. But she's coming to my house tomorrow to pick up my kid, and I want to have my yard looking great, and I want to have my house nice and clean. I want to have everything taken care of, but I don't even know this woman, so I don't know why I care so much what she thinks of me, but I have, and I have for years. And I think that the strong-willed person inside of me would be like, ah, no, who cares? You know, I don't care what people think of me, and I really don't, but I like to make good impressions. I like to make you think I've got it all together when I don't. And when I say I don't, let me show you. So, I'm cooking dinner. Whoop! Oh, and I barely have any countertop space because I have dirty dishes. Yep, that's it. This is 2 days worth of dishes. That's it, 2 days from 3 kids and me and a dog. It's awful. Oh, and look at my backyard. Can you see out there? It's like a jungle. There's my littles playing in the pool. I got the window open so I know what they're doing and what's happening. Everything's fine. But my yard's a disaster. And that's okay. I'm okay with it. I know that I'm a weekend warrior, and I clean it all up on the weekends, and I get my dishes done every other night. So I take care of business. Yet I'm letting this woman make me feel anxious about her coming to pick up my kid. It's a bummer, but it's cool. I'm strong. I'm going to learn from this experience. I'm going to see how much I can get done. And if I don't get all my chores done like I want to in one night, when it's already 6:20, it doesn't happen, and that's okay. I just wanted to share this. I wanted to get it out, let it loose, and if you feel the same crazy way I do, then you're not alone. But we shouldn't let people tell us how we feel about ourselves. If she thinks my house is a mess, it's a mess. But I know it's not. I know it's just messy right now. Have a great night. Tomorrow's Friday.